The V6 3.0, 222 horsepower from the factory. Runs nice, idles nice. It's got tubular headers for more horsepower, which is really nice. It also has a high flow intake for the dual intakes there, and it's got aftermarket exhaust, dual aftermarket exhaust, as you can see. Sounds very nice. Very mellow tone, not too loud, and aggressive. It's got aftermarket 3-piece wheels. They're 17-inch wheels. Tires are, I would say, good to fair. There's one that's a little worn. This one here. It's a little worn on the inside. But other than that, it drives really well. Take you for a ride again.